Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Hair School. And on today's video, I want to show you how to get this really effortless, easy, literally takes 2 minutes once you've got volume in your hair. So it probably takes more like 30 minutes, but the actual updo part itself takes like literally 2 minutes, 30 seconds to 2 minutes, and it looks adorable. So the key to this updo look is having really bouncy blowout look hair. Now, you can get that any way that you see fit, but the way that I like to get my hair looking like this is to set it in hot rollers. These are some OGs from the 90s, straight from 1997, my 12th birthday gift. They still work amazing. They still make my hair look like I got a fabulous blowout. I just set my hair in them, leave them for 30 minutes or till they're completely cool, and this is what I get. And it just allows me to make the most beautiful and effortless updos if I don't want to wear my hair down. This is also a great updo to do if you do a bunch of curls or you try your hot rollers and you're just not feeling how it turned out, but you've got all this texture in your hair. Take advantage of it and try this updo. So first, I'm going to gather my hair loosely, and I'm going to use like my fingers like this. I'm not going to grab my hair in my hands and create a tight ponytail. I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to rake the hair gently up into my mid head into a ponytail, and I'm just going to get the front situated however I want it. I like quite a bit of hair out at the front. Obviously, if your hair is longer at the front, you might not be able to leave as much out at the front, but how it looks at the front, totally personal preference. I like to leave out some of this fluffy volume. And then we're gonna go from the back. So with your ponytail, you're going to take it and you're gonna start to twist it around your finger. And then as you twist it, you're gonna push it against your head and you're going to twist it on itself, kind of creating a little bit of a French roll until you feel it's all kind of tucked in and secure. You can't really roll it anymore. And then you're going to take a bobby pin, you're going to pin on one side and grip the other side to your head and stick that sucker in there. Now, I only need to do one bobby pin because I am very practiced at getting bobby pins in my hair and knowing exactly where to put them. You might need to use 2 or 3. You might have more hair than me. If you don't have a lot of hair, you probably really don't need more than one bobby pin, but if you can't make it go where you want it to go, then you can certainly add more. And then for the hair on the top, you can either leave it just loose to flop around, or I like to take a couple pins in mine and just lightly pin some of this hair to the base of my head, so that it looks like that. And I can kind of see it from the front. And it's got, you know, 90s effortless updo, Pamela Anderson vibes. I love doing my hair like this. And it looks like you put in way more effort than you actually did. So I hope that helps. I hope you guys have learned a new cute way to wear your hair to work, out with your friends, or just around the house. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any videos you would like to see. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And follow me on TikTok and Instagram for daily content. Bye guys.